I am highly disappointed in President Jantua. If I don't know answers now, the my nini.
Abuza from Mamu Namakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. By be about who from Mr. President and Major also. You need to say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na hwato e ko amamo we die e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
I am highly disappointed in President Jantua. If I don't know answers now, the my nina ye maminka bi man konfo na de me ba there be you had the opportunity and then you know African leaders are omunya opportunity no o make catch your pain. You see ayame yase I was here can we under Jantua. Because with the politics, MPP for Mubomu Triswa,
Obama NDC because of LGBTQ.
I feel all of a sudden, Wokwa Brochra, Wokwa Brofo.
Aye, Brofosa.
Would it ye, when we hear the Abrofu so mo, net take the kind of answer.
What can it pain?
Mogabi Akacho mu say, hey, ye nye gezu. It is answer Munu no Mamon Fama, ye reject it. Uganda president was a maza, discussing a time, Maza Mamon Fakra Maho. Gambia ya jame se masa o yempe
o se Africa chinya mi
o grade o se death penalty the Gambia hibekum o dey say bre na MPP for mu chireche mu say ye wonyoma bi wo ma say ye ma president na Akufo-Addo sign because the mimi be che say adentina mo discuss say we ye sofo na bi kra no o preachi say Nyankopon empe mema ne say wo kampo no ebefema yetimi becho
communication
enti se saade ani wo ma munim se na enye enti denti na mo NDC for ka kire ni pase on sign na mo fanya politics
munim we nyina
yentie ya kase president at that time Agyeta president na Akufo-Addo sabre we asemo ye okaye NDC for the campaign
enye sir
muntie o NDC for the campaign say ye busa ne say gay one some net saying no president ko ka so say the asset ye say den nya hodin bi asa na emum dachi bi no
as something that's bound to happen in the
sir ye babu bra Facebook ahimfie 106.1
what is happening in your country and homosexuality for example which I believe is illegal and it's punishable. I mean, why is homosexuality still illegal in your country?
These the social cultural issues, if you like. I don't believe that in Ghana so far a sufficiently strong coalition has emerged which is having that impact on public opinion that will say change it. Let's then have a new paradigm in Ghana.
Is that something you would get behind?
I think that it is something that is bound to happen. And when that happens,
what's going to provoke it? What's going to make it happen?
Oh, it's the activity, like elsewhere in the world, the activities of individuals, of groups. I grew up in England. I went to school as a young boy in England, and I grew up at the time in England when homosexuality was banned there. It was illegal, and I lived the period when British politicians thought it was anathema even to think about changing the law.
Enti sa okay ye papa sa same way NDC for the campaign pa because okasa na Akufo-Addo say it's bound to happen so be ka efia Sabre no, it's bound to happen.
No, any
say nyankophobia ebeba. NDC for at that time, Modi campaign. NDC for Modi campaign. Sir, it's bound to happen. Modi ye ti krom ha. Ye nyina so support mu. Ekike bi etre yem papa na na Akufo-Addo say, "Hey, papa, when your opportunity where from that noise? Catch yourself one sign. Na dey na okeka nyoma bebrebe. Na say o man nkofo no akwanya."
All right, Nana Kwabe Bedas, Papa, way, NC. Oh, be the people to us watching now. We know dear, we know dear, we know dear, to us so Ochina Yame Eya Duma, Ochina video back on Subeba, audio no so, and no crowd about 20 minutes, mean to be boarding na. Boy, don't know more bro, Sado. Sabote, a choir faso. Didn't you solo? Did you be with you or your friend solo? Or no, and I just saw boo ECG staff. No, didn't you solo? Regional minister, I'm Wakwene. Didn't you solo? Or Chinod you now, Bono, the Obeti solo, no, at TM, Sani and the minister Casa, Sani and the minister Casa, and all boo staff, no, and all that crowd, and so on Casa. My main penny didn't cram ECG for wow pedo, man Casa cake, a chantro. Mopa bonkohwe eye staff no na bisado ma ECG for omo ne ndamantam na omo kopie fie omo de no omo nim se eye franka muakoine efie enti video na ne yeyi no omo biemi ade no so omo kopie hodom na chese obi ba ho se who born dog na wo dim se regional minister na wa hada o wian kanea no na mo maba ha do na chese mo ba be ye de ba de yampene be so ochina voice a be body a china no it spans be 20 minutes mean to me body nyina ba me no de tip of the na be de about
emrani na wo eni na madam oslo wusu afanyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asemwe ye de hwemu ye de NDC force the big from George eye nanim se bo float. And the catcher said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky, peace, there be City FM journalist. This is there be.
Me say me catch the play. Me you playing fa. Say NDC for in this case. We ni pa bonifo. China mekano.
Ojene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections yeko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de chire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya mamo na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Or might be Timikuburu, or might be leaders are KBA, the new Pr3z party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact. Yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of cracker was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, which is on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no monko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omonko ma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho. Chief imam for no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho. Politicians ni nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho. Marketing men omonko ma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina e ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete. Na ze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them can't get it. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you who papa, and I feel them watch them. Men are warning was such a misabi, men are making catchy by John Dramani Mamas, all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more kinky sika. It's a mamma papa naba, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mocum. You come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, I'm with your kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Bota region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happen say, where I can say, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say, Council of State member no, were ye former staff, a man am one, which is never true.
Onya Juma or hot da. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time, number one I post. Oh, yes. Nam wa post. Ya no catch you be say dependent boy. O si sa asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam wa na kwa pe baby akwakoda na and nam wa no. Yes. Na che say, was in no kura dwiri ni say state institution na we intelligence institution. Who need intel? Ayeka, bro. Say problem ni nyina na say. Economy no kwa na eboa. Problem ni nyina na say. Papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good me good kwa manone ano near juma kobia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no, what's what Pr3z on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad. No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamaba and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are. Oh. On Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my